everybody, Cody Does It, back at it again with another video. It's the car I just put a drain plug in, 15 foot-pounds with a new crush washer. Guess what? It's still freaking leaking, so I'm going to put another one in there, torque it down. I just wanted to show you guys how dirty this engine was after putting fresh oil in it, and how dirty it is just after being driven like 20 or 30 miles and it absorbing all the carbon and all the crap inside the motor. It's what it looks like, unfortunately. That's brand new oil, and it's definitely not that dark. So I'm gonna try to catch all this, save us some money, put a new one on there, and pray that it doesn't do this again. Yeah, that's a heating pad, as if, you know, it's gonna do much up north. I mean, it might, I guess. It might do something. Anyways, guys, change your oil regularly. If you're doing it every 10K, this is probably what your oil looks like right after you get done, and change it. As always, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing, and giving me a bunch of feedback. I appreciate it, guys. See you on the next one.